Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI Taxi app drivers inside today we need to create here the user request UI need to develop this here. First of all, need to create here today the pickups and drop off locations and to continue buttons need to develop here. First of all, we need to need this copy here, this screen, this home screens, and to use for the user logins. First of all, need to write down here view inside need to create here the new groups and to give this here the names as a user home. Like this we need to create. Now we need to copy this codes and to create here the new files. Shift UI user home view dot creates like this, and to paste this here the codes and to change these names as a home view, user home view, and also need to change this here home view. Like this need to create and to view this here the preview and zoom here little bit down like this. Now no needs here the go buttons, we need to remove here the go buttons, no needs, that's why I need to remove here like this, and to clear this here this go buttons. And then afterwards you need to remove here the offlines you are, and also need to remove these lines, need to remove these lines here, and to change this here the titles is set here pickup like this, and to remove here is open flex, no needs here. Like this we need to create, and now we need to go inside the login view, and we need to copy here one buttons, we need to need this here. First of all, to go logins, sign in, and to copy here this continue buttons, copy here, and now go here and to paste this here continue buttons. And also need to set this here the paddings are the importance, we need to give this here the padding 20 like this sets. Now display goods not an issue, and we need to remove this here horizontals, and we need to set like this here. Only scores we need to remove here like this, and need to give this here alignment dots padding we need to set here like this. Now we need to create here the buttons UI, need to develop here, we need to write down here button, double taps enters, then to like this create here the buttons. Now first of all we need to write down here to draw here the dots, blue dots, we need to create like this UI, we need to draw here previous Flutter video inside, we need to create like this UI, same used need to create here same UI here inside the SwiftUI. Now we need to create here the h tags, we need to develop here, then afterwards we need to set here the spacing like this, we need to give this here 15 is spacing, we need to give this here. Now we need to create here the rectangles, need to draw here rectangle, round rectangles, need to use this here round rectangle, and to give this here fill colors, fill need to give this here 30 colors primary apps like this set here. Now we need to set this here the params We need to give this param as a 20, width 20 and height 20. Corner radius we need to give this here 10. Param inside we need to give this here width 20 and height 20, like this. Also need to create here bottom padding. Need to set here 25. All here, so need to wrong place action inside need to write down this text. That's why not working here. Look like this displaying here, these dots here, and also need to give this here padding. Set here 15 for all overs. Now need to set here the background colors. We need to background set here color dot white. Then after need to set here the radius. Corner radius need to give this here. Need to set here. Set here tens, otherwise give this here the pi is good. Then after we need to create here the shadow. Need to give this here 2, like this, lower shadow. And also need to set here the color property, color f dot primary f color, like this. Change these parameters, fix this here, like here, this selected. Maybe we need to here to increase this value, like this. These buttons are the creatings, and now we need to create here the text. We need to copy here, paste this here, and to also need to give this here the param maximum. Need to give this here maximum value, and no needs minimum heights. We need to remove this here, and also need to give this here the alignments as a leading. We need to pass this here like this, and we need to give this here the title. Select pickup location, like this, and also need to set here secondary text, like here, and we need to set here the font, set as a regular, and we need to set as a 17. Now this is the displaying good this here, this UI. Otherwise set here, check here placeholder available. Yes, need to write down here the placeholder colors, like this sets here to convert it. And then after last inside we need to create here the image resource. We need to give this here the name. We need to find out here the apps system SF systems icons. We need to use this here, and to call this here the next arrow. We need to find out inside the find your arrow. use this here the forward arrow. We need to call this here arrow forwards right here. Like this. And also need to write down here the foreground colors, so need to set this here this placeholder colors. We need to give this here copy here, cut here, and to apply this here. No need to every time writes here. Now this is the display goods looking good, not an issue. And we need to copy this here this fill colors, give this here primary colors. This pickup titles need to give this here primary app colors like this sets for this UI. And also need to copy again these lines here. And to paste this here bottom like this. Need to set here the 15 and to write down here the drop off like this, and to set this here red color, red app. Also another place we need to change this here like this and here. Now one more thing, we need to set here one flags for the selects events, if state where, and we need to write down here the private where is select pickup. Need to set here true like this. Copy these lines and we need to go down and we need to events inside. We need to write down here true. Copy here. Then after we need to paste this here. Set here the false. Now we need to give this here the colors or the matters for the outsides shadow. If is show select is pickup, then to displaying like this colors, otherwise displaying here the color black. Copy here, same is paste this here, but we need to difference between here. But here this color and we need to paste this here like this and give this here not equal to. Like this we need to setting this here and also need to give this here the opacity these colors. Set here 0.2. Now displaying goods, also copy here and to set this here. This opacity. Like this apply and to create this UI display goods, not an issue, and to like this UI are the displaying here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications. Any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.